Step 1. Draw BMO's body. Step 2. Draw the hands and legs. Step 3. Draw 3 fingers on both hands. Step 4. Curve the body's edges. Step 5. Draw the face. Step 6. Draw the following symbols in BMO's body. Step 7. Draw 7 dots in the upper side of the body. Also, write the BMO text in the lower side. Step 8. Trace the hands. Step 9. Trace the body. Step 10. Draw the eyes and mouth. Step 11. Trace the rest of the drawing. You can also color your drawing like this. Get a chance to be featured in the next video. Email your work at ganjalkabals@gmail.com. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell.